Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to talk about a potential business model that you can use if you are a coach or a consultant. So let's assume that your audience is cold. What do I mean by cold is that they don't know you yet and they don't trust you enough. So what you can do is to run a Facebook ads campaign and direct people to a landing page. In this landing page, you offer your visitors a free video course in exchange of their emails. For example, if you are a consultant who helps businesses grow, you can offer them a free video course. How to double your sales in less than 3 months. If you are a coach helping people lose weight, you can offer them a free course about how to lose 10 pounds in less than 1 month without starving to death. So people who opt in to get your free course will be redirected to a page in which they will find your free video. In this video, you will explain about your method and how your method is unique and powerful and can really help them solve their problems. This video should be between 30 and 90 minutes. And at the end of this video, you invite people to book a free strategy session with you or with someone of your team. And at the end of this session, you give them an offer to work with you. For those who didn't book a session with you, you keep sending them emails to push them to do so. Let me give you an example. I know the numbers I'm going to give you will be different depending on your niche, your target audience, and your ads. But I will give you an example of the numbers of one of my clients who I helped boost his business. For every $200 he spent on Facebook, he gets between 20 to 40 emails. Between 4 and 6 people book a session with him, and he finally gets 1 or 2 clients. He charges each client an average of $1,200. So he put $200 on Facebook ads and end up making between $1,200 and $2,400. Isn't that great? Well, that's it for this lecture. Hopefully you understood everything in here. See you in the next lecture.